Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we'll solve exercise 19. So exercise 19, number 1. Number 1 says find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y when x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Given x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. By these two information, we have to find out the value of x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y. So how can we solve this one? Actually, we have to put the value of x and y in this algebraic expression. So 2 cube plus the value of y is 3, so 3 cube plus 3 into, so the value of x is 2, so 2 square into y is 3, so 3. Now 2 cube that is 8, 3 cube that is 27 plus 3 into 2 square. 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 into 3. Now 8 plus 27 plus 3 4 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Now if we add 8, 27 and 36, we get 71. And that is the solution of number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 says find the value of z into z plus 12 by z when z equal to 3. So here given z equal to 3. By using this information, we have to find out the value of this algebraic expression. Z into z plus 12 divided by z. So what is the value of z? That is 3. So instead of z, we have to put 3. So instead of z, we are putting 3 plus 12 divided by 3. Now 3 into 3 plus, if we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. So 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 3 multiplied by 7, that will be 21. And that is the solution of number 2. Now, number 3. Number 3 says, find the total cost of y articles at s new pence each and another y plus 2 articles at 2s new pence each. So how can you solve this problem? We can write in this way. Cost of y articles at s new hence y multiplied by s. Okay, then what is the cost of y plus 2 articles, y plus 2 articles at 2s new pence each is y plus 2 multiplied by 2s. So if we multiply, then we get 2s into y, that is 2ys plus 2s into 2, that is 4s. Now we have to find out the total cost. So what will be the total cost? We have to add ys plus 2ys plus 4s. So ys plus 2s, that is 3ys plus 4s. And that is the solution of number 3. Now, number 4. Number 4 says, I buy P plus 2 books at S new pence each. I keep 2 and sell the rest at S plus 2 new pence each. Find my gain. Very simple one. So we can solve it in this way. Number 4, cost of or cost price of P plus 2 books at S new pence each is P plus 2 multiplied by S. That means SP plus 2S. Just we are multiplying P plus 2 by S. And I keep 2 books. Then after keeping 2 books, what will be the remaining books? We can write in this way. After keeping 2 books, remaining books are remaining books are P plus 2 minus 2. That means only P books. That is very easy. Actually, we have to subtract 2 from P plus 2. Now, we have to sell these P books at S plus 1 new pence. So, after selling, then what will we get? Selling price, we can write in this way, selling price of P books at S plus 1 new pence, it is S plus 1 into P. Then we can write in this way SP plus P. So this is the selling price. This is the selling price and this is the cost price. Then what will be the gain? So therefore we can write gain will be, therefore the gain will be selling price minus cost price. So SP plus P minus SP plus 2S. So SP plus P minus SP minus 2S. So SPS will go on. So answer will be P minus 2S. And that will be the gain. Now number 5. Number 5 says when I add 42 to twice the number I am thinking of, the result is 76. So now find out the number. Very simple one. So how can you solve? Let the number be x. So according to the question, we can write 2x plus 42 equal to 76. Then what will we get? We have to subtract 42 from both sides. So 2x equal to 76 minus 42, or 2x equal to 76 minus 42, that will be 34. Now we have to divide 2 from both sides. Then x will be 34 divided by 2. Therefore, the value of x will be 17. And that is the solution of number 5. So the number will be 17. Now number 6. Number 6 is I am thinking of a number. When I add P to it, the result is Q. Find the number in terms of P and Q. Similar way, I think that the number is number Px. So according to the question, we can write if I add P, that means x plus P equal to Q. So if I add P, then the result will be Q. Then what will be the value of x? X will be Q minus P. Why? Because we have to subtract P from both sides. So here the answer will be Q minus P. Now number 7. Number 7 says I am thinking of a number. When I multiply it by x, the result is y. Find the number in terms of x and y. So at first we can say that let the number be. Let the number be, suppose a. So according to the question, we can write if I multiply a by x, it will be y. So what will be the value of a right now? Now we have to divide both sides by x, then we'll get our final solution. So x by x. Therefore, the value of a will be y by x. So now we got our final answer in terms of y and x. Now number 8. Number 8 says simplify. Simplify x plus 3x minus 5x plus 7x. So at first we have to add. So x plus 3x plus 7x minus 5x. X plus 3x plus 7x. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11x minus 5x. So if we subtract 5x from 11x, it will be 6x. Very simple. Now, number 9. Number 9 says 7 into x plus 1 minus 3 into x plus 2. So we have to multiply x plus 1 by 7. So 7x plus 7 minus 3x minus 6. So 7x minus 3x plus 7 minus 6. 7x minus 3x, that will be 4x plus 7 minus 6, that will be 1. So answer will be 4x plus 1. Now, number 10. Number 10 says, form an equation from the following statements. In a leap year, a man has X days holiday. He works twice as many days as he has holidays. Solve your equation. So total day of a leap year is 366 days. And from these 366 days, some days are holiday and some days are working day. So we can write in this way, 366 days. Some days are holidays and some days are, we can say, working days. So we have to add holidays and working days to find out the actual answer. At first, we have to form an equation. So how can we form an equation? We can say that number of holidays are X and number of working days are twice, that means 2x. And we know that in a leap year, number of days are 366 days because we have extra 1 day at February. Now we have to find out the value of X. Let me solve the equation. So according to the question, holidays plus working days is equal to 366. So X plus twice X, that is thrice X, equal to 366. Now we have to divide 3 from both sides. Then what will we get? Thrice by 3 equal to 366 by 3. Then the value of X will be 122. So the number of holidays are 122 days. So in this way, we can easily solve number 10. Now, number 11. Number 11 says, form an equation from the following statement. There are X girls in a school of 450 and there are twice as many boys as girls. Solve your equation. So at first, we have to form an equation, then we'll solve it. So how can you solve it? So number of girls are X. Therefore, number of boys are in the school, number of boys are twice X. So according to the question, if we add X and twice X plus twice X, it will be 450. Now, if we add X and twice X, it will be thrice X equal to 450. Now we have to divide 3 from both sides. So thrice X divided by 3 equal to 450 divided by 3. So X will be 150. So we can say number of girls are 150 and number of boys are 2 into 150, that is 300. So the question asks you to only solve the equation. So the value of X will be 150. So you will write answer will be 150. Now number 12. Number 12 says solve the equation. Can you solve? Number 1. 3y equal to 18. So we have to divide 3 from both sides. So 3y divided by 3 equal to 18 divided by 3. Therefore, y will be 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Number 2 says y plus 4 equal to 49. So if we subtract 4 from both sides, y plus 4 minus 4 equal to 49 minus 4. Then we'll get y equal to 45. So the value of y will be 45. Now number 3. Number 3 says z minus 9 equal to 19. To solve this equation, we have to add 9. Therefore, the value of z will be 19 plus 9, that is 28. And that is the solution of number 3. So in this way, we can solve 12, 1, 2, and 3. 1, answer is y equal to 6. 2, answer is y equal to 45. And 3, answer is z equals to 28. Now, number 13. Number 13 says, I go shopping with y pound and spend z new pants. How much have I left in pounds? So we have to convert into pounds. So at first, I spent z new pants. That means if I want to convert this one into pound, then we have to divide the z by 100. Then it will be converted into pounds. Now, what will be the remaining? So remaining will be pound y minus pound z by 100. Because at first we have y pound and we spent. At first I have y pound and I spent z by 100 pounds right now. So that will be our final answer. Now number 14. Number 14 says from the formula for the area of a rectangle A multiplied by B, express L in terms of A and B. So here already the formula is given. A equal to L multiplied by B. So from this formula, we have to find out the value of L. So L should be A divided by B. By dividing B from both sides, we get L equal to A divided by B. And that is the solution of number 14. Now, number 15. Number 15 says, from the formula for the volume of a box in terms of the base area and height, V equal to A multiplied by H. Here A is called the base area, H is called the height. So, from this formula, express H in terms of V and A. So, if we divide A from both sides, what will we get? V divided by A equal to A multiplied by H by A. So, if we divide A and A, then we can say V by A equal to H. So, here we can say our final answer will be H equal to V divided by A. Now, number 16. Number 16 says, from the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, P equal to 12 plus 2B. Here, L is called the length and B is called the breadth. Express L in terms of P and B. So we can write 12 plus 2B equal to P. So if we subtract 2B from both sides, we get P minus 2B equal to 12. So now we have to divide 2 from both sides. Then we get L equal to P minus 2B by 2. And that is the required solution. Now number 17. Number 17 is simplify x plus thrice x minus 7x plus 4x plus 8x. Now we have to simplify this one. X plus thrice x plus 4x plus 8x. Now we have to subtract 7x from the result. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 1, 16x minus 7x. So if we subtract 7x from 16x, we'll get 9x. And that is the solution of number 17. Now, number 18. Number 18 says, a carpet is x meter long and y meters wide. It leaves a border 1 meter wide all round it. Find the length and width of the room in terms of x and y. Write down an expression for the area of the room. So at first, we have to draw the figure. Now, if I draw the figure, we can see that this is a carpet, and this is x meter long and y meter wide. And it leaves our border 1 meter. So this is the border. This is the border, and the border is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter wide all around it. Find the length and width of the room in terms of x and y. So we have to find out the length and width of the room. So how can you find out? So length of the carpet is x meter, and breadth of carpet is y meter. Now this carpet leaves 1 meter border all round it. Then what will be the new length? That means we can say length of room is x plus 1 meter, because there is 1 meter, there is 1 meter. So total will be x plus 1, that is x plus 2 meter. Similarly, what will be the breadth? Breadth of the room will be y plus 1 meter. So that is y plus 2 meter. So what will be the area right now? The area will be x plus 2 into y plus 2. So the area of the room will be x plus 2 into y plus 2 square meter. And that is the solution of number 18. Now number 19. Number 19 says a wall x meter high and y meters wide has in it a rectangular window p meters long and q meters wide. Write down an expression for the area of wall. So at first we have to draw the wall. So if this one is the wall and here the measurement is d. So this one is x, this one is y, and it has a window. And the window is this one. Suppose this one window is this one. So what is the length of this window? That is p meter. And what is the breadth of this window? That is q meter. So what will be the remaining part of the wall? So we can find out this region actually. Okay, we have to find out this region. So how can we solve? For wall, length is equal to x meter and width equal to y meter. Then area will be xy square meter. Now for window, length is p meter, that is already given, and width q meter, that is already given. So what will be the area? Area should be pq square meter. So we can easily find out that for wall, area is xy square meter, and for window, area is pq square meter. So what will be the remaining part of the wall? That means this part, that means we have to subtract the area of the window from the area of the wall. So we can say the area of remaining wall equal to xy minus pq square meter. So answer will be xy minus pq square meter. And that is the solution of number 19. Now our last problem, number 20. The ages of Bill, Tom, and Susan are X years, Y years, and Z years. Write down an expression for the average age. So how can we find out the averages? This is very simple. Average means actually we have to add their age. So what is the addition of the age of Bill, Tom, and Susan? That is X plus Y plus Z. We have to divide this one by 3. And that is the actually required solution. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.